guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be making pasta. I know it's silly to do a video for such an easy recipe, but the pasta is super creamy, so without further ado, let's get started. Take 6 tomatoes, wash them up, and then chop them up into fours as shown below. Back to the chopping board, take one onion and remove its peel. This literally took me 3 minutes to do, so here's a fast forward. Now cut the onion in half and chop one half into small cubes while the other half in just fours. Toss the one that was chopped in fours into the blender and blend it up till it's a puree. In a saucepan with boiling water, add 1 cup of pasta and let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You will need the following ingredients for the sauce. It's super basic. So on a saucepan, add the oil and saute the onion and garlic till it's almost colorless or translucent. Then add the spices and give it a mix. Next up, pour the puree that we blended and give it all a mix. Let it cook till it's like a bit dark in color and then add the oat milk. The oat milk recipe will be flashing in either the right or the left corner of the video. Take about a tablespoon or 2 of extra oat milk and add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in it. Give it a mix till the cornstarch dissolves. Pour the cornstarch slowly into the pan and give the entire thing a mix. And now finally let it cook for 5 minutes and your sauce is ready. All you need to do is add the pasta in the sauce, give it a mix, and that's it. As you can see, it is super creamy and it is definitely so delicious. You guys really need to try it out. Also, the links of whatever we used are down in the description, so check that out. And if you have any recommendations on what you want us to make next, let us know down in the comment section. As always, happy baking!